press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous sessions we discussed about parts of a plant, isn't it? Yes, right. Yes, today I am going to give summary of this lesson. Okay? See, you see our word is very beautiful. It consists many things. Mostly, so mainly the plants and the trees make our word beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Trees and the plants or make our world beautiful. It's a very greenery. See, it gives us many things. It's a very useful to human beings. So you already learned in the previous in the last chapter also. Okay, see, plants are very useful to us because it gives us mainly food to us. So mainly what? Food to us, such like rice, wheat, jowar, ragi, seeds, grains, pulses, and also it gives oil and then tea, coffee, beverages. Okay, and also for a commercial purpose they give us wood, and then it gives us a gum, rubber, and mainly it gives us life giving oxygen. Okay, see, plants, we can see different types of plants in our surroundings, isn't it? See, and also we see different parts also. See, the plants have many parts like us. As you know, we have many parts. As we have eyes, ears, head, mouth, teeth, hand, leg, neck. See, we have many different parts, isn't it? So like plants also have many parts. Okay, see, plants have, we divided two main parts, that it is shoot and root. Okay, shoot means the part that grow above the ground. Yes, when we see the plants, mainly we see the many parts. That part is called shoot or a shoot system. Okay, shoot system is plants, the part which grows above the ground. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಶೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ underground in the soil, that part is called what? Root. Okay, once again, see, the part which grows above the ground is called, see, this part is called what? Shoot. And the part which grows underground into the soil, see, this part is called root. This part is called what? Shoot. And this part is called what? Root. And see, in the shoot it consists of many parts, that it is, see, root, the shoot consists of many parts, that it is stem, leaf, and then fruits, flowers, vegetables, branches, isn't it? See, it consists many parts. Okay, in the previous classes you already detailed study about the parts of a plant and also functions. Okay, see, okay, next we are going to know about, learn about roots. As roots is very important, main part in plants. See, these roots are a grow, so it's a part of a plant, it's a grow below the ground or underground in the soil. So we call that it is a roots. Roots andre ಬೇರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, see, we classify two types of roots. ನಾವು ಎರಡು types of roots ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. First one is a tap root. What we call this one? Tap root. And this one is fibrous roots. This one is tap root and this one is what? Fibrous roots. Okay, first we are going to know about tap root. Okay, tap root means it's a part of a, see, the main root. See, the main root grows from the end part of the stem. The main root, mainly single main root grows from the end part of the stem and it's grow deeply in the soil. See, many branches of our roots comes from the main root and root hairs is grows from the ಮೇನ್ ರೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ರೂಟಿಂದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೂಟ್ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್, ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದು ಮೇನ್ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೆನಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್. ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ, okay, and leguminous plants roots are tap root, and example for tap root that it is a carrot, beetroot. See, these are all the example for tap root. Okay, next is about fibrous root. See, fibrous root means many roots. See, you have seen the roots. Many roots are grow from the end part of the stem. So stem na end ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೈಬ್ರಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ stem. So is many of roots are grows from the stem, and these roots are not go deeply like a tap root. So tap root ತರ ತುಂಬ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fibrous. Example for fibrous roots are grass plants roots. See the grass plants roots, and then many others rice plants roots are example for fibrous roots. And for tap roots we see radish. See the picture, radish is example for tap root. See in the radish, see the main root that it is a radish. Okay, many hairs are grow from the main root. Okay, see in the fibrous, see in the fibrous roots, see many roots are grows from the end part of the stem. Okay, see fruits is very important. Okay, what are the functions of the root? See, roots fix the plant to the soil. See, roots or fix the plant to the soil. Yes, we cannot easily pluck, easily pull the grass. Now easily kidlikagala because the roots are fix the plant to the soil tightly. Okay, see it helps decrease the soil erosion. See, when heavy winds, when the heavy rains falls, it cannot make what soil erosion because it holds the plant tightly. So it holds the plant and it fixes the plant into the soil. Okay, so that's why so roots are very important. Okay, see the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. So mainly roots, what they doing? See, absorb water and minerals from the soil and it transport to the leaves through stems. So absorb ಮಾಡಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು leaves. So leaves ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಥ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್. Through stems it send water and minerals to the leaves because leaves prepare food for the plants. They need water. See, that water is absorbed by these roots and it send it to the leaves through stems. Okay, see this one is the one of the function of the root. Okay, and another function is some roots are like a carrot. See the picture, first carrot, radish, and then this one a turnip. They store food for the plant. Some roots only, not all plants roots, some roots store food for the plants. Okay, see we learned about roots and the functions, kinds of roots and functions. Okay, next we are going to learn about stems. See, stem is a very main part in the shoot system. See, the stem is a main part in the shoot system. Okay, we see different kinds of plants, different kind of stems. So now different kinds of plants na, now different kinds of stems na now ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ in our surroundings, isn't it? See, we can see some plants or some trees have a hard and woody thick stems. Hard woody thick stems we see in the trees, in the big trees. See, we call that it is a ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಡ್ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ about the shrubs. Shrubs are a plant. See, you see example for shrubs, rose plant. See, these plants have a very small, it's a have a hard stems, so not like that a thick like a trees. So ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ the roots. Okay, see these are all shrubs. Okay, next one is about herbs. See, herbs stem, you see, observe, it's a very small plant. Herbs are example for herbs. Mint, coriander and grass are the example for herbs. See, herbs stems are very soft and green in color and also flesh. See, observe the coriander picture. See, the stem of the plant, ee stem ideyalla, it's a green and soft and fleshy. Which one? Herbs stems. Example for herbs, coriander, mint and grass. See, whole the pot is in a green in color, as you observed. Okay, next is about creepers. See, the creepers grows along the ground. See, observe the pumpkin picture and some example watermelon also. It's these are all the creepers. See, these creepers are grow along the ground. Okay, see, next is one of the stem that it is a climbers. See, the climbers are they have a very weak stem. Okay, like creepers, they need support to grow, arise. They need what? Support. They need any object to arise. Okay, see, we learned about kinds of stems. Okay, next one function is what are the functions of stem. As you know, the stem is very important part to plant. See, from stems it bears branches, flowers, leaves and then fruits and vegetables, isn't it? See, functions of the plants is it holds the plants upright. So straight and nitkobeku andre it helps to holds the plants upright. Okay, and it carries food and minerals, water to part. Enagutte, see, no, roots absorb water from the soil. It needs to transport to leaves through stems. So stem ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ನ, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಲೀವ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್, ಸೊ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ವಾಟ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಪೈಪ್ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ವೇನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಥ್ರೋ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, some stems like some roots are store their food. Okay, like some stems are store food. Example, ginger andre enu, shunti. So ginger store food in a stem. And then potato, see, the potato is also stem. See, but these two are grow below the ground. As you observe, see, these both are grow below the ground, but we call it is a stem. Okay, and onion is also stem. Okay, next another one example that it is a sugar cane andre eno, kabbu. See, sugar cane also store juicy store food in a stem. So sugar cane ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, food in a stem ಅಲ್ಲಿ store ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, only some plants store food there in stem. Okay, next we are going to know about the structure of a leaf. See, you know, leaf is the main part in plants. So leaf is the main part in the plants. As we see the plants, leaves are a flat structure. So they have a flat structure. Okay, see, the leaves are green in color. So where we have to see, the most of plants are green in color because it contains green pigment that it is called chlorophyll. Leaves contain green pigment that it is chlorophyll. Okay, because of chlorophyll it look like green in color. Okay, so this chlorophyll is very important to prepare food for the plants because this chlorophyll trap the sunlight. Okay, about this thing, okay, we will learn next. Okay, now we are going to know about the structure of a leaf. See the leaf picture. See, the picture, say the stalk or a petiole or attach the leaf into the stem. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, petiole ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಲೀಫ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ರೀಬ್. ಸಿ, ಮಿಡ್ ರೀಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ centrally located part. So midribs are veins, and not only midribs and the side veins and the smaller veins also helps to transport it carries food, water and minerals. So ಈ midrib ಆಗಲಿ veins ಆಗಲಿ and smaller veins is helps to carry what food and water and minerals. And flat part of the leaf we call it is a leaf blade. So what we call this flat part, we call it is a leaf blade. Mainly these males are gives shape of the leaf. As you have seen different types of leaves in our surroundings. See, people trees leaves are very big and the pudina leaves are very small, isn't it? So we see different types of leaves in our surroundings. See, the midrib and the smaller veins, these are like gives shape of the leaf. Okay, see, you can observe carefully leaf of the upper surface. A leaf's upper surface is dark in color and it's a very soft, smooth. Okay, but the below is very roughly and light in color. When we compare it into upper surface, it's a light in color. See, normally stomata is present in a lower surface. So lower surface ಅಲ್ಲಿ stomata ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You know what is stomata? Stomata is a very tiny hole. It's a present in surface of the leaf. Okay, it helps to breathing purpose, to inhale and exhale of a gas or exchange of gas. See, most of a stomata is present in lower surface of a leaf. See, lower surface of leaves are light in color and rough, and but the upper surface is a dark in color, means a dark green color, and it's a very soft and smooth. Okay, see, next, you know, green leaves are prepare food for the plants, so that's why we called kitchen or the food factory of the plants. What we call, so leaves are a kitchen or food factory of the plants because leaves are prepare food for the plants. As you know, plants are preparing its own food, but not human beings and other living beings, isn't it? Okay, next we are going to know about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You know, photosynthesis means it's a green plants, only the green plants prepare food themselves by using simple substance like a carbon dioxide, water and then sunlight. Okay, you know, see, how do these plants prepare their own food? Say they need these simples. How do they obtain these raw materials? See, you know, carbon dioxide is abundantly available in our surroundings, isn't it? See, they, you know, stomata absorb carbon dioxide. So stomata ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, absorb carbon dioxide from air, and you know, roots absorb what water and minerals from the soil, and chlorophyll means a green pigment trap or catch sunlight, so heat from the light from the sun, isn't it? By using all these things, leaf produce their own food. Okay, once again, see, to prepare for the photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis, they need air, water and sunlight. See, these are abundantly available in our surroundings. Okay, you know, first is about water. See, the water is absorbed from roots and it carries through stem and it reaches to leaves. So, okay, water siktu. Next, oxygen, carbon dioxide. See, carbon dioxide is abundantly available in our surroundings. These stomata, see, the stomata is very tiny pores. It's absorb what carbon dioxide from the surrounding, and then chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means it's a green pigment. It's a catch or a trap the sunlight from the sun. By using all these things, leaves can prepare their own food. This process is called what? Photosynthesis. Okay, next is about functions of the leaf. So mainly it helps to prepare food for the plants, isn't it? See, leaves are helps to prepare food for the plants, and many leaves are store their food in leaves. Many leaves like a spinach, cabbage, lettuce. See, these leaves are store food for the plants, as we all eat these leaves. See, you know, leaves contain many minerals and vitamins. It helps us, it gives a protein, vitamins, minerals. Okay, see, we just eat what leaves is very important. Okay, Next, we are going to know about flowers. See, flower is a very beautiful part of a plant. So, flower is what? Very beautiful part of a plant. It's a very wonderful, and some flowers have a good smell, aroma, isn't it? It attracts you like a jasmine and rose. See, lily, they have a very good smell, isn't it? See, the flower is a beautiful part in a plant. See, the flower is not doing any work in a plant. See, but see the flowers is a blooms from the plants. After flowers bears, it produce what? Fruits or vegetables. Okay. See, we can eat some flowers like a cauliflower and a broccoli. See, we eat what? A cauliflower and broccoli. As we use a cauliflower to make gobi, isn't it? It's a very tasty and delicious. Okay. We use a cauliflower to make ಕರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಪಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಗೋಬಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೋಕೊಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಲಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಈಟ್ ಮೆನಿ flowers, okay, for our foods we use flowers. Okay, next is about flower. A flower can change into fruit. Yes, first you have observed the picture. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರೆನೇಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರೆನೇಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಹಣ್ಣಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ once flowers bears, it's dried up and the petals fall off, and that place it changes into a fruits or a vegetables. As you know, we can see many different types of fruits in our surroundings, isn't it? So many fruits: mango, pomegranate, papaya, orange, apple. See, these are all the fruits, and some vegetables like brinjal, tomato, chili. These are all the fruits also contain what? Seeds. Apple, orange, pomegranate also contain seeds, and the vegetables like a tomato and then brinjal, see, drumsticks, these also contain seeds. See, many plants, many fruits contain only one seeds. Example, mango plants. Mango fruit has contain only one seed. Some fruits contain many seeds. Example, pomegranate. See, pomegranate contain many seeds. And some papaya, orange, apple, these also contain many seeds. And brinjal, drumstick and tomato, see, these also contain many seeds. You know what are the uses of seeds? See, already know, okay, as you already studied in the previous session. See, the seeds are very useful to plants for their reproduction. For reproduction, it's very useful to plants. For reproduction, the seeds are very helpful to plants. As you know, if they not go the process of a reproduction, that plants will be extinct. So that's why reproduction is very important to plants also. Okay, see, how can we reproduce plants? See, plants can reproduce through seeds and other parts also. Okay, see, through seeds. So seeds in the hegagatte. See, all seeds cannot grow into a new baby plant. All seeds cannot grow into a new baby plant. Some seeds are grow into a new plant. Why all seeds cannot grow into a new plant? Because some seeds are unhealthy, and some seeds are eaten by insects or animals, and we also eat some seeds. Okay, and some seeds are destroyed by heavy rain, and when wind damages the seeds, and sometimes that seeds will be decay. See, some seeds cannot get the right amount of water and the right condition. See, when seeds are healthy and when seeds get a right amount, right condition, it will be growing into a new baby plant. See, how can we grow a new baby plant? See, first you had to put the seed into a soil. What we have to do? First you have to put the seed into a soil. See, first that seed absorb water from the soil. As you know, soil contain water. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೀಷಿಯಸ್ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಾಟರ್. ಸಿ, ದ ಸೀಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ soil. After absorption, it will start to swollen ಅಂದರೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ the shoot start to grow from the seed. See, when the shoot starts to grow and it bears leaves, after bears it start to prepare food and it will be growing into a plant or a tree. Okay, see, germination of seed means when we put the seed into the soil, it's absorb water and minerals from the soil and it started to grow, it's burst and it started to grow a new plant through shoot in the leaves bears agate, after bears the leaves it will be growing into a new plant. Okay, as my dear students, yes, in this session we learned about many things about the parts of a plant. As plants is very important, we use the plant. See, all the parts are very useful because we can eat roots also, we can eat some parts of stems also, and we can eat leaf and we can eat flowers and we can use the seeds as a food. So seeds ನಾವು use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So that's why plants are very useful because it gives oxygen and also as well as food. So that's why we should grow more and more tree and save forest. Okay, thank you my dear students.